slow-caramelized onions, flaky golden puff pastry. This onion tart is the ultimate proof that you only need a few simple ingredients to make something spectacular. Today, I'm showing you my favorite way to make it. We're starting with 5 large onions. Slice them as even as you can. Consistency here is the secret to that perfect jammy texture. In a pan on medium heat, we're going in with 5 tablespoons of oil. I use a blend of olive oil for that rich, classic base and a splash of chili oil for a subtle, warming kick. In go the onions. It looks like a mountain now, but don't worry, they're gonna shrink down beautifully. We'll start with the lid on to trap that steam and get them softening right away. A teaspoon of salt goes in to draw out the moisture. Now, just give it a stir every now and then. We're looking for deep, even color. Patience here is what turns a regular onion into a delicacy. Once the onions are soft, the lid comes off. Now we build the flavor. 1 tablespoon of earthy thyme and a generous crack of black pepper. And 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now for the secret ingredient, patience. This process takes about 40 minutes on low to medium heat. You can't rush it. Just keep stirring occasionally until they're deep, dark, and completely transformed. When the onion is almost ready, add a heaping tablespoon of crème fraîche or sour cream. And 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Give it a final mix and take it off the heat. Now for the base. Unfold your puff pastry right onto the tray. Take a knife and gently score a border all the way around. This lets the edges puff up into crisp, buttery layers while the center stays flat. Grab a fork and prick the center. These tiny holes let the steam escape, making sure the middle stays perfectly flat while the edges rise. Transfer those golden, jammy onions into the center and spread them out evenly. Just make sure to stay within that border. For a final hit of umami, grate over a little Parmesan. That sharp, salty kick is the perfect partner for the sweetness of the onions. To get that high gloss finish, we're using a quick egg wash. Brush it gently over the border. Transfer it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. We're giving it 20 to 25 minutes. Keep an eye on it. You're waiting for that pastry to rise and turn a beautiful, deep golden brown. There you have it, the ultimate onion tart. It's the perfect balance of sweet, salty, and that incredible crunch. If you try this at home, let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.